Hello, everyone, and how are you doing? All right, we're going to dive deep into some signs of laughter. I have my notes here because there's a lot that I want to dig into, and I don't want to make sure I don't miss any points here. So, laughter is a complex behavior that involves both physiological and psychological processes. So, understanding the process behind it, well, let's see exactly how it impacts our health and well being. We're going to see the parts that trigger the mechanisms of the brain responses to humor and the physiological effects of this joyful activities. You ready? Here we go. What really happens? When we laugh, multiple regions of the brains are activated. Laughter involves a cerebral cortex, which is responsible for the higher thinking of brain functions. The limbic system, which deals with the emotions. And the motor areas we have, which controls the physical act of laughing. That's right. Cerebral cortex. Let's get to that first one. The cerebral cortex process the cognitive aspect of humor. It interprets the words and meaning. It uses the past memory of what we associated a word to what makes funny. This is why it's difficult to say one joke in English and go to a different country because there's not that understanding and the meaning of the words. Again, help to make the situation, help to understand jokes or a funny situation. When something strikes us as funny, this region lights up, signals, and we begin to laugh. Now let's go to the other part of the brain. The limbic system, particularly amygdala and the hippocampus, is integral to our emotional responses. When we perceive something as funny, the limbic system is activated, leading to feelings of amusement. This emotional response is crucial for triggering the physical act of laughing, which now ties into the motor skills. So, no, not the motor skills, the motor cortex and the physical laughter. The motor cortex controls the physical aspects of laughter. When activated, it sends signals to the facial muscles. That's right, to the facial muscles. And the diaphragm, the vocal cords, producing a sound of laughter. That's right. This coordination between the various regions of the brain makes laughter complex, yet a humorous response. So we don't realize how much is actually going on behind the scenes or inside to trigger a laugh. Now let me tell you a joke here. Why did the brain refuse to take a bath? Because it didn't want to get brainwashed. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you tomorrow.